Good morning, guys, and happy holidays. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys a little bit of our Christmas cleaning. I am going to be on here next week with taking down all of our Christmas decor, but I thought this video would be interesting on how we kept our house clean on Christmas Day and all the days to follow, with all the toys and the boxes and the wrapping paper trash and all of that. So I feel like every family kind of does things differently. And we've kind of done things differently as the kids got older as well. So this was Christmas morning, we were halfway done. You can see some presents over to the left, and the kids were starving for breakfast. So we did like a little pause, and the kids were playing with toys that they already had gotten, and we ate some breakfast. So while Chris was cooking the bacon and the eggs, I just went around and kind of organized. The kids all have a spot. So Jackson had a chair, Jane had a chair, and then Piper was sitting on the floor next to me. So I was kind of just organizing their toys in those spots, and we always throw the trash away as we're opening. I don't know about you, but I'm always worried that something's gonna get lost in the trash if it's not thrown away right away, and somebody's gonna like pick up the trash and a toy at the same time and throw it away. I doubt that would happen, but I don't know why. I always think that's gonna happen. So that's why you don't see very much trash. And also, we like to put boxes, like if things come in, like clothing boxes that you can reuse or Christmas bags that you can reuse, we put those all in a pile as well. We don't throw those away. So that's basically what I'm doing right here. I didn't want to do like a major clean because obviously we still had a lot of presents left to open. So I was just kind of clearing the way, clearing the floor area, and putting all of the kids' toys in their piles. So here is the aftermath. This is when we were done with all of the presents, and this is more of like a wide view for you guys. You can see on the bottom left, that was Piper's little pile, and then right next to that pile, those were all of the boxes that I was talking about in Christmas bags. We have the trash bag. You can see a little police officer taking Piper to jail. That was funny. And so I'm doing the same thing. I'm throwing away all the trash that I see. I am organizing the kids' toys and things. I didn't want to be a total clean freak and put all their stuff away into their rooms. We did have my family's Christmas the next day, and so I wanted to make sure the couches were clear and there was space for everyone to sit, and there's going to be tons more toys and gifts the next day as well. So I did start putting their stuff away later that evening, but for right now, that's the magic of Christmas, is just going over, looking at your pile, playing with all of your toys. So I didn't want to just put their stuff away and then forget about what they got. So just putting everything back in their piles and just picking up a little bit. And we were going to get ready to go to my mom's house later that day. So I just wanted to make sure I cleaned up most of the stuff so that when we came home that night, I didn't have to clean too much for the next day. So like I said, this is just a few days of us cleaning up Christmas stuff. This was the next day after my family had left. This was all of the boxes and the trash over in the corner besides Audrey's cheese puffs. But I didn't want to film like I did the day before when my family was there because we were all enjoying ourselves and having a good time. But the recycling was coming the next day, and as you guys know, you collect lots of boxes and stuff for the recycling people. Fun fact, we actually put most of the recycling stuff in the back of Chris's truck to go to the dump because our recycling bin is not even that big. So I'm just breaking down boxes. After my family had left, they basically cleaned up all of their own messes, but they were still messes from the kids and everything. So I put most of the cardboard boxes over in this corner, and then as the trash collected, most of that trash is all wrapping paper. I didn't want to put like food trash just sitting in my house for hours upon hours. So that is also needing to go outside as well, and our trash bin was getting full too. So I know that you guys can feel me. That's just kind of how the trash goes. We were lucky that our recycling was coming 2 days after Christmas. and I think the trash was actually coming the day after Christmas, this particular day. Lastly, we just have a few clips of us cleaning some of the kids' toys. If you guys have been watching me for a while, and you can go back in some of my videos, the way that I keep my house clean all of the time is having a spot for everything. That's a spot for all of my things and a spot for all of the kids' things. That way when the kids get ready to clean, they know exactly where to put their things, and it makes the process a lot easier. Have you ever seen my daughter's room look like this? Because I don't think I have. This was very anxiety ridden, but this is what happens when the kids get new toys and have fun things to play with. I was also cleaning the sheets this day, so all of the kids' beds were unmade and everything. But I'm going around. It's a little bit hard to clean the days after Christmas, even probably up to a week, because we do have to find new places for all of their things. They got new Polly Pockets, which they've never had before, so we had to find new places for those. They got new dolls, new doll clothes. They got a marble run that we don't have a place for, so we just try to put things away. We try to keep things out that the kids hadn't played with yet, and that's just like the lull of Christmas, or the in-between of Christmas and New Year, before you really do like a purge of all of their toys and figuring out where everything goes. So I'm doing my best to clean up what I could. Basically just making her bed, cleaning up the things that she's had before and have places. Also, if you can see in the very right bottom corner, Jane's closet carpet is all pulled up because the bathtub broke and mold got all in her closet, and so she has nothing in her closet. So her room is kind of combobulated anyways, and a lot of things are up on her top bunk that you can't see right now. I do climb up there to get some stuff down, but yeah, I'm just doing my best to clean up and kind of clear her floor and organize things. But that's what I'm doing here in Jane's room, and then going over to Piper's room next. Thankfully the kids hadn't gone upstairs, and so Jackson's room was still pretty good. I think the kids are just excited with all their new toys, like going back to back rooms and running around the house and just having a good time. And that's what kids do on Christmas, so I don't expect anything less.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Thank you guys so much for watching this cleaning video. I hope that it was a little change of pace, something different to watch as far as cleaning goes. I feel like all of the cleaning videos are the same thing over and over, but I think that's what you guys like. It's just motivational to watch someone else clean, especially while you're cleaning. So let me know that if you guys are still enjoying my cleaning videos. Like I said, my plan is to next week have the taking down of our Christmas stuff, and then we're going to be doing a clean and decorate with me with just our regular decor. And then over on the House of Hunts channel, have a new house tour for you guys. So lots of fun stuff coming up. Let me know down in the comments any other cleaning suggestions that you want. If you want some organizational tips or anything like that, I'd be happy to film that, something a little different. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you're not already. And we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.